Introducing the 2018 Volvo Xc90 D5 AWD INS 5-door auto in grey. This sleek MPV is packed with comfort, safety and technology features, making it the perfect family vehicle. With Bluetooth, satellite navigation and Android AutoCarplay, you'll always stay connected on the road. Safety features like collision alert, lane departure warning and multiple airbags ensure peace of mind for you and your loved ones. Plus, the chrome package and roof rails add a touch of style. This Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information on this incredible vehicle.